Hello Buggy, in this video we are going to know which came first, chicken or egg? And does homework really make students smarter? First we see which came first, chicken or egg. From Aristotle to Diderot, the mind-bending conundrum of chicken versus egg has puzzled deep thinkers and fueled endless classroom debates. But biology has an answer to this philosophical paradox: the thing with wings surely followed cells in a shell. That's because the earliest creatures birthed from yolks wore scales, not feathers. Embryos encased in calcium evolved in dinosaurs about 200 million years ago. Avian species did not emerge until tens of millions of years later. O'Connor knows this because in 2019, she and paleontologist Alida Beilul of the Chinese Academy of Sciences discovered the oldest known unlaid bird egg. They found it in a fossilized Avamea schweitzeri, a sparrow-sized specimen that lived some 120 million years ago in what is now northwestern China. The egg's design was pretty much set eons before the domestication of jungle fowl. Some features of modern ones, including shell color, evolved alongside dinosaurs. But others, like the chalaza, emerged later in the Cretaceous period, which ended 66 million years ago. So perhaps it's better to ask, which came first, the chicken or its egg? This question is harder to answer with certainty. One possibility is that a bird similar to the barnyard staples of today laid a clutch that, due to a small quirk in DNA, held the first true clucker. Pinpointing that exact point of divergence in the family tree has proven difficult, however, because genetic changes happen so slowly. Secondly, does homework really make students smarter? When you're a kid, your stance on homework is pretty simple: it's the worst. For parents and teachers, the verdict is more complicated. Data on its benefits are uncertain at best. That doesn't stop educators from handing it out, though. According to a 2019 Pew survey, teens spend about an hour studying on their own each day, twice as long as adolescents did in the 1990s. Little ones have it only slightly easier. A 2015 study found first and second graders spend 30 minutes on lessons after school. But does that grind make students any smarter? A 2012 analysis of more than 18,000 American 10th graders showed that those who completed their math and science chores didn't earn appreciably better grades than those who skipped them. Even studies that find a positive correlation between after-school classwork and academic performance concede there are few benefits before students graduate from elementary school. In fact, evidence shows that saddling students with academic to-dos can harm their well-being. A 2014 study of 4,317 students from 10 high-performing high schools in California revealed the pupils, who averaged 3.1 hours of cramming daily, experienced stress, sleep deprivation, and other negative health effects. Research also suggests the added load can widen the achievement gap between kids from different economic backgrounds. While some education experts argue that assignments provide a way of monitoring student progress, others favor offering more nuanced feedback than grades to encourage pupils to master the material rather than focus on A's. Still others suggest shorter tasks that go over a given subject repeatedly. The idea, called the spacing effect, is that it's easier to learn information in regular short bursts than in a marathon session. Ultimately, learning exercises should appeal to a child's innate curiosity. Teachers who've adopted this approach say they see students embrace the opportunity to explore subjects they find interesting and bring their friends along too. Perhaps the best homework skips the books. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.